At first, in ancient, we had used rock to build a house and a place to live. Later, we had developed into wood age and used wood as a materials for building. From the wood age, we have continuously been developing resin age. As developing, we used to build a structure by using concrete, wood, steel, or composite materials. By constructing a building, the most materials has been used is concrete. Like this is concrete, and this is also concrete. I wonder why we have to use concrete. It is high compressive strength since the concrete can resist the compressive load at a very high value. Concrete has high durability, high resistance. It is also cheap because it's composed of coarse aggregates such as precious stone, fine aggregate, clean water, and cement. These price of these materials are cheaper than other materials, as cement is used to produce a concrete. It acts as a blender and blend the material together. The manufacturers of cement is mostly use dry method, quality or principal raw materials to reduce the rock size. It goes to the crusher, result in smaller size of blocks. Then the crushed blocks goes into the mixture
and heat all the mixture to 1480 degrees Celsius in locally clean. In this process, it releases carbon dioxide.
The material moves to the clean as clinker are driven off. Clinker is then grinded in grinder mill. The cement is now ready for packing into the bags. The emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is a main reason for global warming. In fact, producing 1 ton of Portland cement emits nearly 1 ton of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As a consequence, partial or full replacement from the production and use of concrete will overcome the environmental impact. Geopolymer concrete has been researched as an alternative. The use of fly ash and slag, which would otherwise be ending up in landfill in geopolymer concrete, further proves that it is an environmentally friendly material. Geopolymer are inorganic materials that consist of several materials which contribute to the chemical reaction. In this matter, the several materials are mainly silicon dioxide and aluminum trioxide. Due to the fact that it is dissociated with alkali or highly base solution such as sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Therefore, heat is the main factor that accelerates the chemical reaction. As we mentioned, the concrete consists of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, water, and Portland cement. During the process, Portland cement is replaced by geopolymer, so it becomes the mixture of geopolymer and aggregate. There are plenty advantages and disadvantages of geopolymer, but in this matter, we summarize the advantage and disadvantage of geopolymer. For the advantage of geopolymer, low carbon footprints. Geopolymer is releasing much lower carbon footprints than ordinary Portland cement. High compressive strength. The compressive strength of geopolymer is equivalent to ordinary Portland cement, and it can be used as ordinary Portland cement. Compressive strength depends on curing temperature. As curing temperature is higher, the compressive strength is also higher. Mixing portion as a ratio of silicon dioxide to aluminum trioxide, or the ratio of silicon to aluminum increase. The compressive strength is also increased. Chemical resistance. Geopolymer has high chemical resistance, such as acid. The disadvantage of geopolymer. The production process is complicated. Geopolymer requires special handling, and it is extremely difficult to create. It also requires chemicals such as sodium hydroxide that can be harmful to humans. Premix only. For geopolymer, concrete is sold as premix or precast due to danger associated with creating process. It's hard to enter construction market because it has complicated production and can be sold only premix or precast. In the present, geopolymer is used in many countries and various formats. For example, in Australia, the University of Queensland's Global Changing Institute or GCI, which is the first building to successfully use geopolymer concrete. Lastly, geopolymer concrete is potentially a world-changing technology, and we are excited to be able to present it. Therefore, our member of this team want to support and encourage using geopolymer in Thailand widely.